Okay, so today I received a package from Amazon and it's a Peephole. How to install a Peephole. Easy to install. Come with 16mm drill bit. Drill 5/8" diameter hole before installing the Peephole. It is recommended to only drill halfway on each side of the door rather than drilling from one side of the door all the way to the other side. Front side, back side. Drill halfway on the front, drill halfway on the back. Next, you unscrew the peephole, insert the front end of the peephole on the front of the door, insert the back end of the peephole on the other side of the door, then tighten it. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so I got a drill bit that's slightly smaller. That's slightly smaller than the drill bit that it came with. It comes with it. So the drill bit that they give, the 16mm, it comes in a package. It comes with an Allen key as well. It's already tightened down. Okay. Inside this box came our peephole. The peephole screws down. You can screw it off. It has a little latch. Wonder if you can see through the peephole. Probably not. You put those two together through the door. The door gets smashed between here. And you get to see out of the peephole. Okay, so let's install it. I don't need that. I got my drills. I think I'm gonna use this 20-volt master mechanic drill. Fully charged, I think. Should be fully charged. Okay, so let's lock this drill bit in. All right, let's go find our center on our front door. Let's put it right here, just right there. So that's about center. I ain't gonna do no measurements, just make a little mark. So that's where I'm going. Let's give it the beans. Put some pressure and drill. Actually, let's put y'all on the stand. I feel like y'all can't see that well. straight through to the other side. Okay, I can see light. I can see light and foam fuzzy stuff. This door is cheap. I need to fill that with foam. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and get my other parts. So I got my 16 millimeter that came in the box. I'm gonna disattach my drill bit. I'm gonna put on the 16 millimeter that came in the box. Tighten that down. Insert it into the hole. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I'm even level. Give it some pressure to dig out this door for the peephole. It's cutting pretty good. Let's keep going. And we through. Okay, so we through on the inside of the door. Let's go outside and do the exact same thing. All right, y'all. Now it's time to, let's take y'all up some. All right, so right here is where our hole came through. Now we go put another hole. We'll widen this hole on the outside of the door. Okay, so it's starting to cut. We are through. All right, so now I gotta figure out how to clean that out. Actually, no, I don't have to figure out how to clean that out. Let's just push this down as much as we can. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's what it's gonna look like. It is a hole on the other side. Let's go ahead and insert our lens for the outside. First, let's dig some of this out. The metal pieces to the door. Styrofoam. Let's go ahead and grab our backside. Can y'all see that? The backside. We are inserted into the hole. All right, So it's not completely vertical. So I got some pliers from the backside just to spin it. Actually, I need a screwdriver. On this back side of the peephole, there are 2 notches. And there are 2 notches. Hopefully you can see them. And that's going to allow me to adjust the peephole so that it stays up or down, like that. And I actually want it to be down. So I'm going to adjust so that it swings down. Let's go 180 degrees. Be careful, don't stab yourself. Don't mess up your door either. This will probably be easier with a hammer and small tops. So I'm gonna grab a hammer. Okay. Put it inside that notch. I wanted to make sure I can see. I'm gonna put it inside that notch. Right there. What was that? Oh. We there, for real. Just get it horizontal with the ground. That's about it. Now our latch automatically closes on its own. If we don't close it, it swing down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a peephole install on the front door. Let's look out. Let's see what's out there. All right, let me filter my camera. Filter again. Boom.